Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'll be out shortly. I want to discuss a few ideas I've got running around in my mind at the moment. So, as ever, in the morning, sit down, cup of tea inside, notepad, write down what I'm going to do in the video. Try and keep it interesting, engaging for everyone to watch. So I thought, what challenges have I got at the moment? Well, we've got some upcoming changes with recycling, composting. Now at the moment our compost bin is quite a distance that way, and obviously when it's raining you've got loads of stuff that needs composting. You don't want to be walking down there. So I thought to myself, okay, I'm in this area. I started looking around thinking it's not looking its best, so I'm going to address that. Okay, while I'm addressing that, what about putting a compost bin round the corner here, just round here? Now at the moment kind of got a pathway here, but not much. It's all got overgrown, so I didn't get round to completing this area. I kind of changed my mind what I was going to do with it, so I stopped. So front door's just there, little pathway across here, and then over, and maybe the compost bin here. It's better that it's on soil as opposed to concrete or gravel, that way the worms can get in underneath. So I'm thinking about siting that there, creating a pathway, getting all this area tidied up, nice access through here, and just make something of the area. We've got the lovely shutters up now, and I don't want to detract with, you know, what I've been kind of putting to one side round the side. So yeah, kind of two birds with one stone. So we'll end up with a nice composting area, not too far away, and we'll tidy this area up. Maybe get some concrete down, some path slabs, and maybe some gravel. We'll see how it unfolds and see what I've got to hand. If need be, I will go out and get some stuff. Right, time for a tidy up. Weather's on our side today, fingers crossed. Okay, initially I was thinking here, but the ground slopes up quite a bit here. I may look at putting it here actually. Path through there. And maybe sighting it there. You must have access there. That's the mains water shut off point. Got the mould just here. Can make some more. Maybe just concrete the rest of this area. Just as hard standing. Start bringing around some plants and tubs. Make this area a lot neater. So let's have a tidy up. Get this project underway. We've also got this little thing here, which is a wormery, so that could be incorporated into this area. We've also got to factor in recycling glass and bottles. It'd be nice to have some containers here, away from the front of the house, but not too far once again. Be repositioning this so it's not in the way. Yeah, just make this area usable. You know, why not? It's fairly close to the house, but not initially the first thing you see. Now, I think that's a tap to drain off all the lovely mixture once you get your worms in and your compost, your kitchen scraps. I'll have to do a little bit of research on that. Now, I've got some salt, get some vinegar and dishwasher soap, start killing these brambles off. So my next consideration is the pathway from compost bin over to here. Now I was going to use these, but I think what will be more suitable is some slabs. Now I've got a few, I don't need many, and they're only €2 or €3 each, so we're going to create a path to here. It's only under some plant pots, so they can be reused. Okay, now it's time to mix things up a little bit, literally. Next we're going to mix up some sand and cement and bed those slabs down on. So I'm pretty happy with the position here. I'll just cut over. Well, that is as far as I can go with this video. Join me next time when we progress a little bit further. Bye for now.